Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. CK video here. Anyways, today I'm gonna be doing a nice good old truck start. Um, if it doesn't start, well, it's not gonna start. I'm not gonna go to the garage and get the battery charger out and wait till it starts. Let's just see, because it's been, I don't know, a week since I last started it. Yes. Now I got the sandals with the socks and the hairy legs edition. That's the edition that we're looking for, right? Alright, here we go. Two starts. Two cranks. That's the first. I'm keeping her alive. Look at that. Feels very low, but she idles. Only two cranks from the key. I'm feeling it might be the radiator. So you know that rattling sound that I just played for you underneath the truck? It might be the radiator. I haven't really changed the fluid from the radiator in like a really, well, I've never done it. I've had this truck for 3 years, 4 years, taking care of it, since my dad, all that stuff. Yeah, I think it might be the coolant in the the radiator. But like I said from before, I don't know if you guys saw anything under there. Hold on. It could be a fan. I don't know if you guys can see anything. But yeah. She runs perfectly fine, and I guess it's a little bit warmer today. And yeah, it only took 2 cranks. 2. Which is pretty cool. Like that doesn't really happen for this truck. And as you can see, I didn't really do any pumps except for like once I was starting to get it going. But that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time on CK video. Peace.